VIM.
Hello and welcome to VIM, the Shopify app that helps you organize product images by their variants. Let's walk through how to set up the core product tagging feature using this demo jacket. First, we have to connect VIM to the theme. In newer Shopify 2.0 themes like Horizon or Dawn, you can add VIM directly in the product section, under the Add to Cart button, and save. On older themes where you cannot add blocks in the product section, go to App Embeds in the Theme Editor. Search for VIM Variant Image Module, activate it, and save. Next, let's tag our images and distribute them to the product variants they belong to. Hit Save and VIM automatically handles the rest. Finally, make the gallery your own. Customize layouts for desktop and mobile separately. Tweak thumbnail sizes, adjust video settings, and more, all to match your store's design and style. And that's it! Your variant-based product gallery is ready. With VIM, you manage images cleanly, efficiently, and without difficulty. Watch your storefront come alive.
VIM.
VIM.